Okay, so you have finished your competitors' logos, you've put them into a spectrum, and now you need to share it with me. We're going to go to the top right. We're going to click on share. We're going to choose that the person you're sharing with can edit it. And then we're going to copy the link. And also, we're going to choose anyone with the link can come and edit your document. This will help me because as your professor, I can come in and move things around if needed to show you something. Okay, so now we're going to copy the link. I am going to go to, going to go to our class here, and let me just show you what you will do with that link. So the competitor logos is in Unit 2, and I have to change my view as if I'm a student right now so I can actually do this. All right, so now I'd go to add submission, and I'm going to come to this link right here. I'm going to click on link. I'm going to paste in that link, select open in a new window. This helps me a lot if I can open a new window with your files, and then I'm going to say create link. And then all you have to do is save changes, and you will have submitted your competitor logos. Thank you.